Hello everyone! Our topic today is all about factoring polynomials, and this topic can be found in page 78 of your textbook. Unlocking the difficulty of these words: factoring, square root, perfect square, general trinomial, perfect square trinomial. What is general trinomial? General trinomial is expressed in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, wherein a is not equal to 0 because if a is equal to 0, it will be a linear equation, and a is not equal to 1 because if a is equal to 1, it will be a simple trinomial. So let us factor general trinomial. If we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 5, first we are going to multiply 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. And taking a look at your 7x, we think of a number that when we add, it is equal to 7. And then when we multiply, it is equal to 10. So we have 5 and 2. So we have 5x plus 2x. Then we are going to write down the remaining given, which is 2x squared plus 5. And then we are going to group them. So 2x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 5. Then we are going to have their common monomial factor. So rewriting this one, we have 2x times x plus 1 plus 5 times x plus 1. And then their common factor is x plus 1. So we have the remaining factor, which is 2x plus 5. So we have the factors of 2x squared plus 7x plus 5, which is equal to x plus 1 times 2x plus 5. Now let us have the next one. 6x squared minus 13x plus 6. So in here, we are going to multiply 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. And then we are going to think of a number that when we add it, it is equal to negative 13. But when we multiply it, it is equal to 36. So it is negative 9 and negative 4. So negative 13x is equal to negative 9x minus 4x. So from here, we are going to write down 6x squared plus 6. Then we are going to group them. 6x squared minus 4x minus 9x minus 6. So from here, we are going to have their common factor. So be very careful when it is minus, the sign changes, okay? So we have 3x times 2x, which is equal to 6x squared. Then we have minus 2 times 2x, which is equal to negative 4x. We have 3 times 3x for 9x. And we have negative 3 times 2 for minus 6. So from here, we have 2x times 3x minus 2. And then minus 3 times 3x minus 2. So the factors are 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 3. Now let us have perfect square trinomial. It is a special kind of polynomial consisting of 3 terms. The first term and the last term are perfect squares, and the middle term is twice the square root of the first and the last term. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. This is your first term, this is your last term, and this is your middle term. Always remember that your first and the last term are perfect squares. So we have square numbers such as 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25, and so on and so forth. So 1 times 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Square root of 9 is 3. We have 2 types of perfect square trinomial, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and the other one is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let us factor it out. So if we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, it is equal to a plus b times a plus b. So if the middle term is plus, we have plus and plus. Now let us have an example. If we have x squared plus 12x plus 36, we have the open and close parenthesis first, then get the square root of x squared, which is equal to x, and get the square root of 36, which is equal to 6. So we position already the x and x over there. And since the middle term is plus, we have plus 6 and plus 6. So we have the factors x plus 6 and x plus 6. Or we can rewrite this one as x plus 6 squared. Now let us have the other type of perfect square trinomial wherein the middle term is negative. So we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So the factors are a minus b times a minus b. If the middle term is minus, we have minus and minus. So let us take this example, x squared minus 16x plus 64. The first thing we need to do, we have the parenthesis over there, and then get the square root of x squared, which is x, and get the square root of 64, which is 8. So we position 8 and 8, and since the middle term is minus, it is minus and minus, okay? So we have x minus 8 times x minus 8. So in here, we can rewrite this one as x minus 8 squared. Now let us have another one under the second type of perfect square trinomial. So if we have this example, 4x squared minus 36x plus 81. So first our open and close parenthesis over there, and then square root of 4x squared is equal to 2x. So we position our 2x here, and then square root of 81, which is equal to 9. So 9 and 9, the middle term is minus, so it is minus and minus. So the factors are 2x minus 9 times 2x minus 9, or 2x minus 9 squared. Now let us have the last one, the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared. In here we have the pattern a plus b times a minus b, wherein a is the square root of a squared and b is the square root of b squared. So if we have this example, x squared minus 25, the first thing we need to do is the parenthesis, then plus and minus over there. Get the square root of x squared, which is x. Position your x in here. Then square root of 25, which is 5. So we have 5 and 5. So the factors are x plus 5 times x minus 5. Why plus and minus? Because if we are going to have the middle term, 5 times x is 5x. Then minus 5 times x is negative 5x. When we add it, the middle term is 0. That is why it is very important that we are going to put plus and minus. Now let us have another one, factoring a difference of two squares. So we have 9x squared minus 100. The first thing we need to do to have this pattern, parenthesis, then plus and minus. Then taking the square root of 9x squared, which is equal to 3x. Then position your 3x over there. Then square root of 100, which is 10. So 10 and 10. So the factors are 3x plus 10 times 3x minus 10. Now let us have a short quiz. Factor the following, x squared minus 36, in 5 seconds. That's right. The answer is x plus 6 times x minus 6. Now let us have the other one. Factor the following: x squared plus 14x plus 49. That's right. The answer is x plus 7 times x plus 7. Now exercise time. Do worksheet 15 in the Google Classroom. Under week 16, please type your name, student number, and class before you answer. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button. See you again next time. Bye!